Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ad blocker issue over your YouTube, right? So maybe if you're watching some of the videos, it will show that you can't access this YouTube video because you're using ad blocker and blah blah all the stuff, right? So it's very easy to remove it because of course you would have added some kind of extension, right? So let me show you. And to remove it, just go to the Google Chrome store, right? Once you go here, make sure just go here, and if you're able to access the extension from here, you can just access it and make sure you remove those extensions, right? So it's very important to remove this extension. Once you remove this extension, do one thing here, just go to the taper monkey, right? Maybe it's not, let me just type it here again. Okay. Oh yeah, this is not available because maybe you have to ban it. Maybe this could be the reason though. But the best solution I will add you, I can show you that remove, first of all, remove all the extension here because I've tried and tested myself, right? So because I was facing so many, I was getting blocked by most of the time, right? So I just removed it, right? And I just did one thing, Control plus R. Once I do the Control plus R here, make sure, or you can just go to the run. So for example, if I go run here and type temp, right, and just put a percentage over here at the start and the end of the temp and just click on OK, and make sure you delete all the files. Yeah, no worries, these are the temporary files, or you can say deleted files and cache, which is stored in the this is an unnecessary file, so you can so delete it very easily. So once you delete it, and just reopen your Chrome browser and try to open a video and watch some of the video with the ad, and after that close it and add ad blocker. So you can just write here YouTube ad blocker. I will show you which one to add here, right? YouTube ad blocker. You goes here and you can just check some of the videos, right? And the best one which I'm using right now, so basically this is ad skip master for YouTube, right? I'm using it over my different IDs. So you can just add it here and it will automatically skip all the videos, right? And yeah, this is the solution which I would like to show you. So if you found this video really interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.